What's up, guys? So what we got here is a 2017 Nissan Titan Xd. What we're going to be doing is removing the headlights and actually upgrading to the Midnight Edition headlight. So I'm going to show you a quick video on how to remove the headlights. These are some basic essential tools you'll need. Just a little light bar so you can see, pocket screwdriver, push pin pliers, ratchet, and a 10mm socket, and masking tape, and a number 2 screwdriver. So we've already masked off the fender here because you do not want to get it scratched once this middle section of the bumper is being removed. So yeah, you always want to just, you know, kind of protect your paint there. So let's get started. So the first step is there's a screw here, a screw right here that holds the fender liner in place. You want to go ahead and remove those just to access the 10mm bolt that holds the middle section of the bumper. So let's move this out of the way. Get that ratchet, and there's a 10mm bolt right here that kind of holds the bumper in place. So let's go ahead and remove that. And like I said, I'm using hand tools. You could use cordless impact screwdrivers, whatever you guys want to use. So that's pretty much removed from this part. Let's go to the front. We already have the grille removed. So once you have the grille removed, there's actually some push pins here, some push pin clips. There's one here, and one over here. So okay, so we got pretty much this whole middle section removed already. So let's repeat that on the other side. One thing I did forget to mention is that there is some push pins right under here. There's 4 of them. With a pocket screwdriver, you can easily pop them out. I forgot to throw that in there. Once you have the middle section removed, there's 4 10mm bolts. So here's one. I'm gonna just remove them while we're here. 2. Here's the 3rd one. And the 4th one actually bolts right through the fender there. Oops. So once you got those 4 bolts out, there's actually a locking tab here that's held on to the fender. So you just want to slide the headlight up gently, and the headlight will slide right out, and it's ready for disconnect. The headlight ready to get unplugged. These are just simple locking tabs here. This is a brown one. You push the side, wiggles out. This one just plug right out, tabs right on the bottom. Let's take off this zip tie there. And this one's kind of tricky, but I'm gonna go ahead and just cut that little zip tie there, and this one unplugs, and your headlight. So what we're installing here is the Midnight Edition headlights on this XD. Kind of gives it a nice aggressive look. So you basically just install in the reverse order that you unplugged them in. So, and that's pretty much it. And don't forget to lock this tab into the fender, because that's considered like the little dowel pin, if you will, to lock in the headlight in place. All right, and let's put this all back together. Before you go installing the whole setup, which I kind of already, not really installed the whole setup, but bolted the headlight, let's see if it works, make sure everything's functioning. So you could actually pick this up and install it yourself. You just got to be careful with not scratching the paint on the fender. But I got a handyman here, Mike, that's going to help me kind of guide in the middle part of the bumper. So let's go ahead and get this going. We're just going to pretty much realign the way it came off. I'll just take a closer look here. So there's a little gap here with tabs, and that's where these tabs are going to lock into. So once you guide that in, these tabs are going to lock in place. It's pretty squared off. So as you can see, let's remove some of this masking tape so you can see. Take off my glove. So it's pretty flush with the fender. And once you have that, we're going to go ahead and put that 10mm bolt in place. We'll reinstall these push pin clips. And same for the other side. So it's pretty flush. You can start removing all your masking tape here and buckle up the job. Are you good? So as I said earlier, there's 4 push pin clips that go under here. If you look right in here, that's where the hole's at. The easiest way to access that is from the back side. It's gonna be kind of hard to see, but let me shine some light. Once it's in there, just lock it in. You're gonna do the same with 2, 3, and 4. And there you go.